Using a 3/16 inch Allen wrench, turn the air pressure off to the pump. At Programming Area, turn off channels to all applicator heads. Disconnect the electrical connector of hose from the applicator head. Using an 11/16 inch wrench, disconnect hose fitting from the hydraulic connector of the applicator head. Place the end of the hose into the 5-gallon metal bucket. Turn pump pressure on and pump all adhesive out of glue tank and into the bucket. Turn pump pressure off. With non-metal scraper, preferably with a sharp edge, clean out large pieces of debris in tank and dispose of into the 5-gallon bucket. Pour red bearing cleaner into the tank until tank is full. Turn pump pressure on and pump until red bearing starts to dispense into bucket. Turn pump pressure off. Carefully move open end of hose to the glue tank for recirculation. Secure hose, close lid over hose, and turn pump pressure on. Let the system pump and recirculate cleaner for 15 minutes. While the system is recirculating, change inline filter at applicator head. If new style fitting, use 1/2 inch wrench to unscrew filter cartridge and drop cartridge in small metal bucket. If old style fitting, use 2 wrenches to unscrew the fitting, a 7/8 inch on fitting body and a 3/4 inch on nut. Remove the filter from inside the fitting and drop in a small metal bucket. Place new filter into the fitting and tighten the fitting ends together. Use red bearing cleaner on a lint-free cloth to wipe down outside panels until debris is removed. Turn pump pressure off on melter. Carefully move open end of the hose to the 5-gallon metal bucket. Turn pump pressure on. Pump all red bearing cleaner from the tank into the bucket. Turn pump pressure off. With non-metal scraper, remove any remaining char on the sides and bottom of the tank. Refill with red bearing cleaner. Carefully move open end of the hose to the glue tank. Secure hose and close lid. Turn pump pressure on. Heat to operating temperature and pump through hose, recirculating back into tank for 15 to 20 minutes. Turn pump pressure off. Depending on tank condition, repeat the last 4 steps. Carefully move the open end of hose to the 5-gallon metal bucket. Turn pump pressure on and pump all red bearing cleaner from the tank into the bucket. Turn pump pressure off. Using Phillips head screwdriver, open pump access panel. With a 5/8 inch wrench, remove the tank filter and drop into metal bucket. Replace with new filter and new O-rings. Apply O-lube to the O-rings before inserting the tank filter back into the melter. Do not over-tighten. Fill tank with adhesive. Once the tank reaches operating temperature, turn pump pressure on and pump remaining red bearing cleaner from the hose until a clean stream of adhesive pumps into the bucket. Turn pump pressure off. Reconnect the hose to the applicator head fitting and reconnect hose electrical connector to the applicator electrical connector. After applicator head reaches operating temperature, double-check tightness of hydraulic fitting, inline filter cartridge, and tank filter. Return pump pressure to operating pressure setting.